Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a full chicken in the oven. First, preheat your oven to a steady 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature helps create that perfect crispy skin. Next, take your whole chicken and pat it completely dry with paper towels, removing all excess moisture. Then, rub the entire bird with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, along with 1 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Enhance the flavor by stuffing the chicken's cavity with aromatics like half a large yellow onion and 1 whole lemon, quartered. You can also add several cloves of garlic and a few sprigs of fresh rosemary or thyme. Secure the chicken's legs together using kitchen twine. This helps the breast and thigh meat cook evenly. Finally, place your perfectly seasoned chicken, breast side up, into a shallow roasting pan. Begin roasting your chicken in the preheated oven for approximately 60 to 75 minutes. A crucial step is checking the internal temperature with a meat thermometer, aiming for 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the thigh, without touching the bone. Baste the chicken every 20 minutes or so with the pan juices to keep it moist. If the skin begins to brown too rapidly, simply loosely tint it with aluminum foil. After removing your perfectly roasted chicken from the oven, let it rest, uncovered, on a cutting board for at least 15 minutes. This resting period is incredibly important. It allows all those savory juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making every bite succulent and tender. Now, transfer the chicken to a stable carving board and carve it into your preferred pieces. Serve your delicious, homemade roasted chicken immediately with your favorite accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.